How to make text in Discord bigger. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make text in Discord bigger. First of all, open Discord. From direct messages, open a chat with your friend. Tap to send a wave to your friend. Then send a message like hi or hello, or whatever you want to say. Then click on numbers on the keyboard or signs. Choose the hashtag sign, then type hello. Send the message. As you can see, the message you sent is bigger in size. By using the hashtag sign with any text makes the text bold. Send as many messages with hashtag sign to make the text bigger. Then go to the web browser and open lingojam.com, which makes the text big for Discord. Type a message in normal text. As you can see, the text is bigger. Then copy the bigger text from here. Open Discord and paste the text in chat. Then click to send it. Now you can see the different styles of text. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.